Hi guys, my name is Kara Stubbs and I chose Julian Rotter for my famous psychologist. So, the importance of Julian Rotters is that he discovered a couple influential theories. The first one was social learning theory and the second was locus of control. So the locus of control is basically the degree to which people think that they have control over how things are going to come out, like the outcome of events in their lives, as opposed to, like the external forces having control over how they come out. And then the social learning theory was basically personality represents an interaction of individuals with their environment. So it basically just defines why people act the way that they do. So to study, Julian Rotter used behaviorism and the study of personality combined without relying on psychological instincts or drives of the subject as a motive force when he was studying his theories. He was most influenced by Sigmund Freud, although he did disagree with some of the things that Freud was presenting. He was very influenced by his research and wanted to go more into things. The reason why I chose him was because I didn't know who he was, and I just wanted to get to know more about what he's about. And then Julian's concepts regarding social theory, they're important today because it helps answer the question of why people act the way that they do. And according to Julian, it's because of the environment that they live in, the way that they associate with people and learn things affects the way that they act. And that's part of Julian's whole theories. Thank you.